हेलो एवरीवन, रोना एकेडमी के यूट्यूब चैनल पे आप सबका बहुत स्वागत है। तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे राष्ट्रीय इंडियन मिलिट्री कॉलेज देहरादून एंट्रेंस एग्जाम इंग्लिश का पेपर का सोल्यूशन। ओके, सो बेसिकली दिस पेपर कैरीज थ्री सेक्शन. फर्स्ट सेक्शन is reading section, then writing section, then grammar section. Reading section we will separately provide the answers in the link, so you can check out there. Writing section, I don't think we need much discussion on the writing section because it is fully dependent on creativities and ideas. So we will here discuss the grammar section, section C. So we'll quickly move on to the grammar section. The first question of the grammar section says give one word for each of the following. In the first question, fear of confined places. Fear of confined places is known as claustrophobia. Claustrophobia. A book that contains information on various subjects, that is known as encyclopedia, like encyclopedia. Okay. The disease which spreads over wide geographical area and a large proportion of the population is, मेरे को लगता है सबको आइडिया होगा इसके बारे में, it's pandemic. It's pandemic. Okay. A large group of insects moving in a mass is known as swarm. 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 An imaginary ideal society free of poverty and suffering is utopia. Utopia. Okay. Then we will move on further. Question number 9. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate articles. If no articles required, put 0. Okay. Likely we will moving to the United States was the most exciting thing I have ever done. अच्छा, एक बात बता दो, जब भी कोई चीज़ को पर्टिकुलरली हम डिफाइन करते हैं, लाइक प्लेस हो, थिंग हो, कोई भी चीज़, तो हम द का यूज़ करते हैं. तो विल कीप इन माइंड सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन. So we'll move on further. I have moved last year to New York. Like, we don't need to write anything here. We'll put on 0. And New York is an exciting city full of adventure. Like, we don't need anything here. In fact, I saw a famous actor on the main street. So coming on to question number B. Today I have a job interview at a financial company. The company has, because हमने स्पेसिफाई कर दिया है कौन कौन सी कंपनी, फाइनेंशियल कंपनी, तो अब हम यूज़ करेंगे कंपनी, तो द यूज़ करेंगे. हैज़ ऑफिसेस, तो हम ए और एन तो यूज़ नहीं करते थे क्योंकि ऑफिसेस प्लूरल में है और द यहाँ पे स्पेसिफिक होगा नहीं, सो हम यहाँ पे 0 पुट करेंगे. लाइक वी विल ऐड ऑन 0. Okay. All over the world. I'm not sure that I have the skills to get hired. I hope so. The company office is on Main Street. On Main Street is totally fine, so we need not to put on here, so we will put on 0. That's the same street my friend works on. See, if I get hired, I could meet him after work for drinks. Like, it is totally fine, so we'll put on 0. That would be great. He's from Scotland. Is totally fine, so we'll put on 0 here. He works 8 hours a day. 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. So it is completed. We will move on to the next question. Question number 10. That is, choose the correct meaning of the idiom phrases given in the sentences. Like, first phrase is on the wane. So on the wane means declining. There is no love lost between two neighboring countries. No love lost. No love lost means option 3, intense dislike. Intense dislike. The prince did not take after the king. Take after means resemble. So we'll use resemble here. Okay. Then question B. The people were all agog at the airport to receive the victorious team. Victorious team nearby in the state of excitement. टीम जीती है भाई, एक्साइटमेंट तो होगा ही. I am afraid he is burning the candle at both ends. Both ends. Burning the candle at both ends means overtaxing his energy. तो option 3, overtaxing his energy. अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 पे. Choose the appropriate phrasal verb to fill in the blanks. She is dash the bank loan for her higher studies. Banking away. Like option second is the correct one. B. Modern researchers dash that yoga cures diseases. Bears out. Bears out. Option 3. Bears out. Many people dash to God for help rather than to thank him. That is call upon. सब जाते हैं भगवान के पास मदद मांगने, धन्यवाद कोई नहीं करता. The police were called in to break away the Reuters. Like break away the Reuters. Option 4. I was dashed when I topped the merit list. I was taken aback. I was taken aback. Taken aback would be the right answer. He is dash trouble if he quarrels with the house owner. He's asking for the trouble, man. If he's quarreling with the house owner, really. So we'll come on to the next question. Do as direct. Do as direct. So first question. She said, "Need I write a letter?" चेंज इनटू इनडायरेक्ट. अब इसको हमको इनडायरेक्ट में बदलना है. सी सेड नीड आई राइट ए लेटर, तो इसका इनडायरेक्ट फॉर्म क्या हो जाएगा? सी इंक्वायर्ड इफ द लेटर इज now it's needs to be written by her. Okay, fine. So this will be your answer. Raj is one of the बेस्ट बॉयज इन द क्लास. चेंज इनटू कंपैरेटिव. अब इसको कंपैरेटिव बदलना है क्योंकि ये सुपरलेटिव में है. सुपरलेटिव में है बेस्ट है, सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म में है. अब इसको कंपैरेटिव में, तो कंपैरेटिव में क्या होता है? बेस्ट का बेटर. तो हमको सेंटेंस में बेस्ट यूज़ करना है और ऐसे यूज़ करना है कि सेंटेंस की मीनिंग ना चेंज हो. तो सेंटेंस क्या हो जाएगा? राज इज बेटर देन एनी अदर boys in the class. Okay, fine. So this will be the answer. Okay, everyone knows that he's a rich man. Change to passive voice. So we will passive voice. अब इसको passive voice में change करना है. Everyone knows that he's a rich man. So he is known as rich man by everyone. Everyone. Okay, ये पैसिव वॉइस में. कैन दिस न्यूज बी, कैन दिस न्यूज एवर बी ट्रू. ये इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस है. अब इसको हमको असर्टिव में बदलना है. तो असर्टिव में सेंटेंस क्या हो जाएगा? दिस न्यूज कैन बी ट्रू. दिस न्यूज कैन बी ट्रू. This news can be true. Okay. To eat too much makes one fat. Remove to. Like अगर to को रिमूव करना है तो हम very का भी यूज कर सकते हैं. So कुछ सेंटेंस कुछ ऐसा हो जाएगा आपका फिर. Eating very much. Eating very much makes one fat. अभी लॉकडाउन में तो सभी खा के मोटे हो गए होंगे यार. Okay, 9F. I told you to work hard. Change into interrogative. So don't I tell don't don't I tell you to work hard? Oh, sorry. Like don't I tell you to work hard? And she spoke very gently to explain her point of view. Use adjectival form of underline word. तो gently का adjectival form क्या होता है guys? होता है gentle. तो यहाँ पे हम यूज करेंगे gentle. She speaks in a gentle manner to explain her point of view. Like point of view. Her point of view. Okay. He forcefully made his way through the crowd. Substitute the verb form of forcibly. Forcibly का वर्ब फॉर्म क्या होता है? फोर्स होता है. तो जो सेंटेंस बनेगा वो ऐसा हो जाएगा, ही forced the crowd to make his way. He forced the crowd to make his way. He forced the crowd to make his way. Okay. Now coming on to I. He succeeded in everything he attempted. Change into negative. तो लाइक लोग क्या करते हैं कि यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट ही डिड नॉट लगाए, ही डिड नॉट सक्सीडेड इन एवरीथिंग अटेम्प्टेड, बस काम खत्म, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस हो गया, डिड नॉट लगा दिया, नॉट लगा दिया भाई. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता है, क्योंकि सेंटेंस की पूरी मीनिंग चेंज हो जा रही है. आपको ऐसा करना होगा, हर हर सेंटेंस में ऐसा हुआ है कि चेंज किया है लेकिन हमने मीनिंग चेंज नहीं की है, मतलब उसको उस फॉर्म में बदलना है बट मीनिंग सेंटेंस की चेंज नहीं होनी चाहिए. सो ये सेंटेंस कुछ ऐसा हो जाएगा, ही नेवर failed in anything that he attempted. Okay, that he attempted. Okay, he took his cloth and plunged into river. Change into simple sentence, like we can say, he took his clothes off and plunged them into river. Plunge them into river. Okay, so ये खत्म हो गया. We'll move to next question, that is choose the synonyms or antonyms of the underlined word. Okay, so we have to select the synonyms or the antonyms. Okay, loquacious, antonym of loquacious, antonym of loquacious is reticent. Synonyms of depreciate, synonyms of depreciate is devalue. Digress, synonyms of digress, that is deviate, option A, deviate. Disdains, antonym of disdains, antonyms of disdains is admiration, option second, admiration. Okay, then conspire, synonyms of conspire, synonyms of conspire is collaborate, option first, collaborate. Exorbitant, synonyms of exorbitant is excessive, option fourth, excessive. Blind, like antonyms of blind will be aware, will be aware. 14 fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition. We will fill in the blanks with the appropriate preposition. Okay, Tagore was endowed with rare talents. With rare talents, you are amenable to reasons. You are amenable to reasons. Okay, he emphasized on his point. He emphasized on his point. I beg to differ with you on this subject. The poor old man was blind in one eye. That option A. Correct answer is option A, in eye. My friend insist on my stay. Entry into this auditorium is through ticket. So option 4, into and through. Okay, through. जी क्वेश्चन शुरू से बोलो, ठीक है. एंट्री इनटू दिस ऑडिटोरियम थ्रू टिकट. सो ऑप्शन 4 सही है, इनटू एंड थ्रू. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हमारा ग्रामर सेक्शन खत्म होता है. तो बच्चों, आप लोग को अगर कोई भी डाउट हो आंसर्स को लेके, आप हमारे दिए गए लिंक पे जा सकते हैं. वहाँ से आपको ये पीडीएफ मिल जाएगी सारे आंसर्स की. तो नो नीड टू वरी. एंड फिर भी आपको कोई डाउट हो, क्यों क्यूरीज हो, तो हमारे ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट www.oneduco.com पे जा सकते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू.